Yeah, they're very observant. Yeah. Bottle in the warm water cup. Yeah, so with breast milk, I would put the breast milk in warm water, hot water. But with the formula, I guess distilled water is best. You're having twin boys and you already have 3 kids. Wow. Well, I mean, I know the newborn stage was probably the hardest for me because I had to feed them every couple hours and I wasn't getting any sleep. So the first 3 months were probably super hard. And then the stages change. So it's like kind of every little stage was kind of difficult. This stage, you know, it's good, but it also has its hard parts because they're like really attached and like mommy is their biggest soother, which is fine, but you know, like sometimes they are both crying and I can't hold them both exactly how they want to be held at the same time. I'm wearing this baby carrier. I think this is like the 4th time I've worn it on live, and I've done like 60 lives. Thank you, Kayla. Yeah, that newborn stage is so rough. Make sure your significant other or your family can help you. Love your Shih Tzu babies. Aww. How many Shih Tzus do you have? They're so cute. Shih Tzus are the best. Oh, really? Oh, really? Tell me how you feel. I'm going to give them baths after this. I do not currently have a baby in the carrier. They're both in high chairs. But if I took it off, I'd have to put it back on. And I brought them downstairs. One in the carrier, one in arm. Wow. Whoops. Sorry, I couldn't see. You turned your head. Oh, really? It's your Cheerio there. Should I move your pillow? You can go back further without your pillow. Let's see, is this better? You like it? Ooh, that looks comfortable. I don't have bunny ears. I actually, though, you guys, I think I have one of my grandma's old hats. Let me